Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm gonna show you how I made these beautiful keto fries, good replacement for potato fries. And once you're on the ketogenic, you know you cannot have sugar. And tonight for my dinner, I felt a little feelish, like I want something different, and I decided to make these keto fries and top it off with some green juice. And if you want to learn how to do this, if you're on a diet with me, or if you want to come on this journey with me, you can stick on this video and learn how I did my keto fries. So guys, what I'll be using to make my keto fries, I'll be using some almond flour, super refined almond flour. I should be using the xanthan gum, but I didn't get any xanthan gum, so I'll be using some egg white. I'll be using some parmesan cheese and some hot water to make my keto fries. So in this large bowl, I'm gonna add all my ingredients. To the bowl, I'm gonna add half cup of the almond flour. I'm gonna add my parmesan cheese. Add all of my parmesan cheese, and guys, I'm gonna add some hot water and some egg white to my mixture. Okay, and then I'm gonna whisk this together. And so you knead this up, and then I'm gonna put this in a round together like so. And then guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna flatten this out here. Flatten it out. I'm gonna flatten it like this. And once it's flattened, guys, I'm gonna use my spatula and basically cut them in strips. So guys, I have it cut up in strips like so, like so. Then I'm gonna get my stove ready, and I am gonna add some olive oil to my pot. Now guys, I'm gonna begin to add my fries, my keto fries. So guys, you just have those frying nicely. My keto fries. And let me turn these quickly before they burn. I don't want them to burn. Guys, and they are done, and we're gonna get them off now and taste my beautiful, delicious keto fries. Look at this. Let us taste our fries. It tastes really good. There you have it guys. Look how yummy and delicious this looks. amazing. So with keto diet, you're not missing out on anything. You can actually enjoy your keto diet. This is a good replacement for potato fries. And I am on a weight loss journey. If you want to come on this weight loss journey with me, then I'll be glad for the company. And I'm gonna top this off with some green juice. So yeah,